This video will walk you through how to create a master template as an administrator for teachers to use when creating their ALEKS subclasses. From your admin tools, click on ALEKS from the left-hand navigation menu. The program will then open in a secondary browser tab. If you would like to create a master template for a specific school, from the institution dropdown, select the school you want to create the master template for. If you are assigned only as a school administrator, you will only see the schools you are associated with. If you do not select a school, the master template will be created at the district level, which will allow all teachers in all schools using ALEKS to access the master template. Hover over Master Templates in the top navigation bar and click on New Master Template from the menu. If teachers have created classes, or if a master template has been created already, you may have a few options to choose from. First, we'll go over how to create a new master template. Enter a name for the master template. This is the name that the teachers will look for when creating a subclass. Select a grade from the dropdown. This will not limit teachers from using the master template if their class is set to a different grade level. Select a start and end date in the appropriate fields. The box to automatically archive the class when the end date hits is checked by default. If you would like to have the classes stay active on the teacher's side when the end date comes around, uncheck the box. Select the ALEKS course product from the dropdown. The standards associated with the course product selection will automatically be attached. Click the View Correlation link to the right of the standards to download a PDF with the standard correlations. If you'd like the students to have access to a textbook while using the ALEKS program, check the Integrate Textbook box. Select the desired textbook from the dropdown. Click the Next button. Under the Incoming Students section, select the radio button next to an option for the students that are moving between a primary or another subclass to the new subclass. The default option selected is that the student's progress will follow them from their previous class to their new class. You can then check the box next to if you would like the module grades to be calculated based on their previous class progress and if you would like them to complete a comprehensive knowledge check. The comprehensive knowledge check will be around 25 questions that will assess students on all of the material in the class. If you choose to have them complete the comprehensive knowledge check, you then want to choose if you want all students associated with this subclass to take it, or only those that have not completed an initial knowledge check for a certain number of days. The other option would be for the progress to not carry over from the previous class and have them take a new initial knowledge check to determine where they are within the program. Under the Unenrolled Students section, select the radio button next to if you want teachers to be able to see unenrolled students. The default is selected to hide them from the roster, reports, and gradebook. For Course Placement Check, select the radio button next to if you want to include or not include the placement check. The Course Placement Check helps instructors determine the appropriate course product for each student. For the Quick Tables section, mark the radio button next to if you would like to include them or leave them disabled. ALEKS Quick Tables is a research-based math fact mastery program for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction for grades 3 and up. For the course-specific settings, click on the Show Accessibility Options link to review the accommodation options for students with vision loss. Select the radio button and check boxes for the appropriate options for the subclass. Click the Hide Accessibility Options link to collapse the options. Check the box if you would like the students to have access to a graphing calculator. Checking this box makes additional topics that require the use of a graphing calculator available. If this setting is unchecked, topics that require graphic calculators will be removed from the class. Click the Create Master Template button to save. Now we'll go over the other options available for when you create a master template. You may not see these options if there are no existing ALEKS classes or master templates previously created. One option is to create a master template from an existing class. From the drop-down menu, select the instructor and the class you want to create the master template from. The other option is to duplicate a master template from ones that have been created already. From the drop-down, select the master template you want to use. Click Continue after selecting your options. The information at the top of the page will reflect the institution you are copying the master template from. To select a different master template, click on the Change Master Template link. Under Master Template Information, enter a name for the template. Select a grade level for the template if you want it to be different from the class or existing template you have selected. This will not limit teachers from using the master template if their class is set to a different grade level. Select a start and end date in the appropriate fields. The box to automatically archive the class when the end date hits is checked by default. If you'd like to have the classes stay active on the teacher's side when the end date comes around, uncheck the box. The ALEKS course product will automatically be selected based on the class or existing template that was chosen. In the Copy Settings section, check or uncheck the settings, assignments, pacing goals, and resources you would like to copy over. If an option is grayed out, this means that the option you are copying does not have anything set for those selections. Click the Copy Master Template button to save. To view all active and inactive master templates, hover over Master Templates in the top navigation bar. Select Master Templates List from the menu. From here, you will be able to archive and unarchive any of the master templates, edit a master template by clicking on the template name, and generate reports for teachers using the template. For steps on how a teacher will create an ALEKS subclass using the template, refer to the ALEKS Create a Subclass Using a Master Template resource below. This concludes our look at creating a master template for the ALEKS program for teachers to use to create subclasses. Be sure to look at the other available help materials for more information about using your ALEKS program.